Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at prices on AutoDS for eBay, and also I'll show you how to get best possible prices, how to get free trial. And basically we have 4 plans here, like import 200, 400 starter and 800 advanced. Also we can use some other things, but we need to find it like this here. And what can we say about these packs? That if you have like a huge number of products inside of your store, you definitely need to choose advanced. If you have like under 400, you can use a starter. And as for me, this plan is the most suitable because here we have a lot of features which are available for like import plan, of course, but also we have the unlimited store integration, bulk products importing, scheduled uploads, AutoDS Finder, recurring uploads, automatic price optimization, multiple suppliers products builder, customer support management, and like 3 more features, which is pretty cool. I think that the most useful on this plan is of course unlimited stores integration, scheduled uploads, and recurring uploads. As for me, it's like pretty cool. It's definitely worth using to pay like 2 times more than like import 200. And of course this price is like $10, $18, and $33 is like for paying annually. I definitely recommend you to do like this, because if you're going to use it monthly, we'll have to pay like even more. We can save up to 25%. And if you decided to buy one of these plans, I definitely recommend you to use link down below in this like the description, because you'll be able to get 1 month for free for just simply $1, which is pretty cool, instead of 2 weeks. And after that you can then continue to use AutoDS. So use the link at the description. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.